Who is the man behind Microsoft Corporation, one of the largest tech companies in the world? This question brings us to the birth of a tech titan, Bill Gates. Born on October 28, 1955, in the bustling city of Seattle, Washington, USA, Gates's fascination with the world of technology began to surface at a tender age. With a spark in his eyes and a mind teeming with curiosity, he showed an early interest in computers and programming. This passion led him to the prestigious halls of Harvard University, where his journey into the tech world truly began. But the confines of academia could not contain his zeal for software development. Gates' story is not just about a boy who loved computers. It's about a young man who dared to dream big, who dared to disrupt the status quo. His journey to the pinnacle of the tech industry started at a young age, with a passion for computers that would soon change the world. The year was 1975, and the world of technology was about to be revolutionized. A young man named Bill Gates, together with his childhood friend Paul Allen, was about to make history. Having dropped out of Harvard to pursue his passion for software development, Gates was poised to change the world. Microsoft, the technology titan we know today, was born in the modest surroundings of Albuquerque, New Mexico. The name, a portmanteau of microcomputer and software, was a testament to Gates and Allen's vision for personal computing. They believed that computers would become a vital part of everyday life, and they were determined to make that vision a reality. In the early days, Microsoft was primarily a software developer for personal computers, but the game changed in 1980 when IBM, the leading computer hardware company at the time, approached Microsoft. They needed an operating system for their upcoming personal computer, and Microsoft was up to the task. The result? MS-DOS, or Microsoft Disk Operating System, a simple yet revolutionary software that powered the IBM PC. The success of MS-DOS was just the beginning. Gates and his team were not content with just powering computers. They wanted to transform the way people interacted with them. This ambition led to the development of Windows, a graphical operating system that brought a new level of user-friendliness to personal computing. Launched in 1985, Windows was a game-changer. It made computers more accessible to the average person, opening up a world of possibilities. From a humble start in Albuquerque to becoming a global leader in the tech industry, Microsoft's journey was a testament to Gates and Allen's vision and determination. They saw a future where computers would be an integral part of our lives, and they made it happen. They didn't just create a company, they sparked a revolution in technology that continues to shape our world today. And so, a tech giant was born. From its inception, Microsoft has been at the forefront of technological innovation, pushing boundaries, and changing the way we live, work, and play. And it all started with two friends with a vision and the audacity to make it a reality. Under Gates's leadership, Microsoft soared to dizzying heights. Bill Gates, with his uncompromising vision and relentless drive, transformed Microsoft from a fledgling startup into a technology titan that redefined the landscape of the digital age. As the company's co-founder, Gates was more than just a figurehead. He was the heart and soul of Microsoft, guiding its strategic direction, overseeing its operations, and leading its team of innovative thinkers. His leadership style was a potent blend of technical acumen and business savvy, a combination that would prove instrumental in propelling Microsoft to the forefront of the technology industry. Under Gates, Microsoft quickly became a trailblazer, setting new standards for software development and personal computing. The company's flagship products, such as the MS-DOS operating system, Windows, and the Microsoft Office suite, quickly became ubiquitous. Whether it was a corporate office, a school, or a home, Microsoft's software was there, making life easier and more productive. Gates served as Microsoft's CEO until the turn of the millennium. Even after stepping down from this role, he remained actively involved in the company's operations until 2008. During this period, Gates continued to steer Microsoft's course, ensuring it stayed ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving industry. The success and profitability of Microsoft under Gates's leadership were nothing short of extraordinary. From its humble beginnings, the company grew into one of the most successful and profitable technology firms in the world. It wasn't just about the bottom line. Microsoft was shaping the future, turning science fiction into reality one software update at a time. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were challenges, setbacks, and fierce competitors. Yet through it all, Gates's leadership proved unflappable. He was a captain who could navigate the stormiest of seas, steering his ship towards ever greater successes. Microsoft under Gates had become synonymous with personal computing. It was more than a company, it was a phenomenon, a revolution, a testament to the power of innovation and the indomitable spirit of its leader, Bill Gates. With great wealth comes great responsibility, and Bill Gates took this to heart. As the new millennium dawned, Gates turned his attention from the digital world to the real one, channeling his wealth and influence into philanthropy. In the year 2000, he and his wife Melinda launched the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, a beacon of hope for those in need worldwide. The foundation's mission is as vast as it is ambitious, with a focus on global health, poverty alleviation, education, and access to information technology. But what makes it unique is the strategic approach to philanthropy, driven by Gates's belief in the power of innovation and the potential of every individual. In the realm of global health, the foundation has made significant strides. From funding research for vaccines to tackle diseases like malaria, polio, and HIV/AIDS, to supporting healthcare initiatives in developing countries, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has been a game changer. Their efforts have not only saved lives, but have also empowered communities, fostering resilience and sustainability. But the foundation's work doesn't stop at health. Recognizing that education is a key driver of social and economic development, they've launched initiatives to improve access to quality education, particularly in disadvantaged communities. They've also championed the cause of digital inclusion, striving to bridge the digital divide through various programs and partnerships. In the realm of poverty alleviation, the foundation has implemented programs that tackle the root causes of poverty, empowering individuals and communities to rise above their circumstances. Through these initiatives, countless lives have been transformed, and hope has been restored where it was once lost. Yet, despite these monumental efforts, Gates does not rest on his laurels. He continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, continuously seeking innovative solutions to the world's most pressing problems. Gates had now embarked on a mission to change the world in a different way. His journey from tech titan to philanthropist is a testament to his belief in the transformative power of generosity and compassion. And as he continues this mission, he inspires us all to do our part in making the world a better place. Bill Gates, the author, offers insight into his vision for our future. Not content with just shaping the world of technology, Gates has also made his mark in the world of literature, providing us with profound insights into his vision for our collective future. His written works range from explorations of technology and business to reflections on philanthropy and global health. One of his most notable books, The Road Ahead, written in 1995, offers a glimpse into the future of technology, predicting the rise of the internet and how it would transform our daily lives. Then in 1999, Business at the Speed of Thought used real-life examples to illustrate how digital infrastructures can improve business performance. Fast forward to 2021, Gates penned How to Avoid a Climate Disaster, which outlines a practical and accessible plan for how the world can reach zero greenhouse gas emissions to avoid a climate catastrophe. Through these works and others, Gates has established himself as a thought leader, someone who is not only shaping the conversation, but also providing tangible solutions. On top of his authorship, Gates is also a fervent advocate for global health and climate change. As a passionate crusader for global health issues, Gates has been pivotal in the fight against diseases such as malaria, polio, and HIV/AIDS. He has donated billions through his foundation, supporting research, vaccination programs, and healthcare initiatives in developing countries. In recent years, Gates has also become a vocal advocate for combating climate change. He champions renewable energy technologies and supports efforts to develop clean, sustainable solutions. Through these endeavors, Gates is using his influence to push for meaningful change on a global scale. Through his writing and advocacy, Gates continues to influence and inspire. He is not just a technology mogul or a philanthropist, but also an author and an advocate, using his platform to make the world a better place. It's clear that his impact extends far beyond the realm of technology, reaching into the very fabric of our global society. Bill Gates, the entrepreneur, the philanthropist, the advocate. A name synonymous with technological advancement, Gates's co-founding of Microsoft propelled the world into a new era of personal computing. With the creation of Windows and the Microsoft Office suite, he forever changed how we interact with technology, but his influence extends far beyond software. As a philanthropist, he's made a profound global impact through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, tackling pressing issues like poverty, education, and access to healthcare. His personal wealth, predominantly derived from Microsoft, has placed him among the top billionaires globally. Yet Gates is not just a businessman and philanthropist. He's an advocate, passionately addressing global health issues and the looming threat of climate change. His voice, his influence, and his resources are dedicated to creating a better, more sustainable world. Bill Gates, a name that will echo through the annals of tech history, philanthropy, and global health advocacy.